Bueno, muy buena gente, muy buenas tardes, ¿todo bien? Einen schönen guten Tag, wie geht euch? Okay, ich bin gerade hier in der Colonia De Sant Pere. Mein Bruder und mein Schwager sind hier gerade und die sind hier en Surfing, hier en der Nähe. Bueno, mi cuñado y mi hermano están haciendo surf aquí en la Colonia de San Pedro y vamos a ver lo que están haciendo, ¿no? Entonces vamos, gehen wir.
All right, you guys, you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I don't want nothing, just got something I can't get off my mind. I can't get off my mind. Whatever happened to those places and all those familiar faces that I once knew, that I once knew. Said, don't worry about tomorrow, I just want you to stay so we can make it through another beautiful day. You and me, baby, we're gonna make it through another beautiful day. Well, you said they'd last forever. Now they're covered up by the roads that join us together. That join us together. You know, I wonder how this all begun. Think to myself, when will this all be done? When will this all be done? But then you say, don't worry about tomorrow, I just want you to stay so we can make it through another beautiful day. Just you and me, baby. You know we're gonna make it through. I said we're gonna make it through another beautiful day. Another beautiful day. Another beautiful day, just you and me.
C'est ça. Donc le morceau qui suit s'appelle Rock Down et il est sur le prochain album.
Facing your octagon, step back on, but indeed all alone. But enough there's them long, eh? So many came up all alone. Yeah, many of those days down, fighting this all alone. So many times lost in out these facing forces, and now me say jump, jump, go our own face on. You're like a gun. Step on, son, no walk alone. Who I want, play on, get up on the lawn. Don't do all alone, do all alone. Who I want, face on, you rock a step on sun, the walk land. Who I won't play get the land. Don't do all the land, do all the land. Who I want, why? Good, why? Yes, I heard them say them are running so far. Day and night we just find a better way we fry. This is the jumping funny play at the shop PlayStation. Doing this the music them.
Day and night when my them a sing a music. Me all of them when me sing about my music. This is a song of blowing up to my mind. This is a song of blowing up to my soul.
Let your heart them follow the reason. When the voice give you emotion. Because of music rocking my world.
It's never getting old. It's never getting old. Them I want me them inside them. Me day and night me singing about my reggae music. Me all the time me you sing about the music. That's the problem reason. Below the vibe. Me day and the night me just playing the music.
This is a song coming from my mind. This is a song coming from my soul.
This is the song rocking to my bone. This is the song rocking to my bone. This is a song born in Africa. Well, them right away you rise up in the Jamaica. This is the song born in Africa. Well, right away you rise up in Europe. Well, everywhere you go, and the people dance the music. Everywhere you be, the people dance the music.
Well, them singing about my peace and love, but unity. Well, them singing about my peace and love, but unity. Well, them just a living simple and I'm gonna be the melody, simplicity, way of my life. Singing about my peace and love and unity. Yes, big up to my brother. It's a long time. This is the music coming from the heart and the soul. Facing your rock, I don't step back on. Why didn't be all alone? Burning up first them long day. So many came up all alone. You had many of those days now.
Something has gone wrong. Play me first as long as we open up our eyes. Why do we justify these foolish who are burning? All what's good and right if we don't wake up soon. This burden will be long. This burden will be long. If we don't wake up soon, all we ever knew will be gone. This comfort's so deceiving, all common sense aside. This world wonders grieving, but from the depths we hide, we question of this hatred as we sacrifice. It's comatose, you see. How much longer can we bleed before we come to our senses again? Our senses again. If we don't wake up soon, this burden will be long. This burden will be long. If we don't wake up soon, all we ever knew will be gone. Don't soon. This burden will be long. This burden will be long if we don't wake up soon.